Alright, this is where we're at. I went ahead and I finished cleaning the head with those Q-tips. I got these and I got some more over there, but that's what it looks like. Just try not to ruin right here. I took that little bearing off, obviously. You want to do that. We dremeled that a little bit just to open it up. Let's just see if I can zoom in for you. Let's see. With a Dremel tip, it's the little orange ones that come in the Harbor Freight kit, but we ended up just dremeling it and, you know, dremeling the side just a little bit. I'm going to take my 13mm 3/8 12 point, hand tighten in sequence, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we have it hand tight where it's snug, we're gonna go ahead and take my 13mm 12 point Husky and my Harbor Freight 3/8 torque bar, because my Mac bar isn't working properly. We're gonna go ahead and use this and go ahead and torque it down to 30 foot-pounds and go to 30.5. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go to 8, 9, this should be 10. Now I'm going to go ahead and do 30 again in the same sequence. Same thing, 30 pounds. Number 10. Alright, all those check out at 30 pounds. So now we're going to move up to 60 pounds. And we're going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to back out all the way. I'm going to go to 60 pounds. Right at 60. Lock it. And I will be using an adapter. Now I got my torque bar extension, which is a 1/2 to a 3/8. I can go ahead and torque my head down to 60 pounds. It helps to brace both wheels so the engine stand don't move, and also hold the corner and the distal end of the bar. Try not to have an extension. Let's go to 60 pounds. There we go. 60. Number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. 7. Now we're going to go to 8. 9. And we're going to go to 10. Now, I'm always like the type of person to do precautionary, so I'm going to go ahead and go over it again. Okay, now we're gonna move up to 90 pounds. And this will be done in 3 sequences. So that means the sequence will be done 3 times. Okay, I'm gonna do 90 and a half because of the fact that it's a Harbor Freight one. So you guys can stick to 90. It's supposed to be 30, 60, 90, and 90 is supposed to be done 3 times. So this will be 90 times 1. There we go. There we go. There we go. Whew. It's nerve-wracking, you guys. Just an FYI. If you've never done this before like myself, it's definitely nerve-wracking, so take your time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 'kay, then we go to 9, 'kay, now 10, 'kay. Now that was first sequence, first round of sequence I should say. Now we're going to go ahead and go back to number 1, double check that. Okay, double check them. This is the second round. There we go. Okay, so that's second round. Let's go to our third round. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keeps moving. 10. Alright, that is now 110% torque down to 90 foot-pounds. And yes, it is a Harbor Freight torque bar. I was lucky enough that Black Friday came on the weekend that I was looking for a digital torque wrench, and I went to Sears. I ended up picking up this 1/2-inch Craftsman torque bar. You know, I opened her up, put the batteries up in there, turned her on, put her at 90 pounds. Let's go ahead and load her up. So we're gonna put it right at 90. You guys can see 90 pounds. Lights up perfectly for you. Close that knob, you know. Double check it's at 90. I'm going to go ahead and do our sequence, double check our torque specs on each nut. 90, 90, 3, 4, there we go, that turned a little bit. Okay, so the other day I went and double checked the tightness with my brake torque wrench, and it checked out at 90, and that was 2 days ago. And so I bought this just to triple check it, and we are good across the board. I'm happy to say that this 1/2 inch Craftsman is also on inch pounds too, so you can just go ahead and click it with push of a button on the gray, and now I'm in inch pounds, and I go ahead and adjust it to whatever I want, which I'm pretty pumped about because we are going to go ahead and do the cam cap installs. So we got to go ahead and put those down to 8 pounds, I think they are, and this end cap is 14. So hopefully you guys join into the next video. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and follow me on social media, Instagram, SkittleFabs. I'll leave that in the description below, and my Snapchat, and hopefully you guys subscribe. So till then guys, be easy, stay tuned, peace.